Now, I think coming to data, this is probably the core of it, right? Without data, your very powerful model is it's completely useless. In terms of data, you definitely need call transcription, right? That's the most basic thing you can provide, but you also need different signals. For example, app usage. For example, your network status through the past, let's say 12 months, what has been your what has been your not search history, but what has been your connectivity with regards to maybe the different competitors. Are you, for example, if you're traveling a lot, are we able to provide you those benefits of traveling which our competitors are providing, or what kind of a user are you? So I think having a lot of different data points always helps you understand what kind of user are we dealing with, and accordingly I think putting all these in a churn bucket would be helpful. For example, if you're a high risk churner, then maybe put it in the red bucket, or maybe if you are not, maybe in a green bucket. So I think the model can effectively try to use these data points and then predict and put you in that bucket, so that accordingly we can try to understand you. Also, I think we would also need some last minute retention offer. So let's say if you are in a red bucket and an AI agent might, let's say, is not unable to resolve, we need some sort of a last minute retention offer just for you, so that we can actually send it, or the AI agent rather can send it to you. I think these are also highly crucial. Finally, jumping into memory. I think in terms of memory, there are different types of memory available. There is episodic memory. There is also session memory. So I think we need to understand that we definitely can. We do not want to store anything and everything. So we need to be really efficient here as well. So I would say that an episodic memory is highly important. What do I mean by episodic memory? Is basically in the cases where the user has ever tried to contact customer care through chat or through call, what has their conversations looked like, probably will be the most important set of transcriptions or data we can analyze from. Remaining data points are important, but if we cannot contextualize their previous conversations, it might be very difficult for us to provide a great solution. So I'll just stick to episodic memory for now. But overall, I think these are the three pillars of any AI bot. What do you think, Akash, before proceeding to a system design question?
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.